Cannot be approximated. So, una-unahan na dahil yung sleep sa room. Kaya ma-disturb mo sa mot ni Noona. So,
Utang ka move, then remove the pillow. Then, out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, move. Okay. I'm now going to hold the wrist. Okay, now remove the okay, 1, 2, 3, move. Okay. If you notice, napa sa skillet. Okay, lift. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, lift. Okay, that's it. Remove. Galing kayo. Okay, so this time, cross, step. That's it. Okay? Then, okay, you're going to use this one for an emergency. Okay? Igarahan, di na mo hawa. Okay. This time, ready, insert. Ready to breathing. Okay, ready to stand? Ready, stand. Okay. Come in now.
My God, guys, daghan kay ansiran.
Ikaw din dyan. Pag ano to ano? Yan ay talent.
Nang luod. Luod. Mag-rat dami ngayon, tapos nakulbaan nami.
Kira ko na kinakagwapa ba? Ay nani, gwapa kay Nas Art.
Ngayon ko ano, sa harapan.
With my paper, we're gonna eat. Mas layo mo pagdating niyo.
Nagpakit-kit lagi sa live.
After that dam kanila. I got my concert.
Okay, I think that will be all. Expect it to be posted today.
Am I pretty? Parang hindi naman ano. look at my attire. So I'm gonna do my yoga before I'm gonna be ending this day, this night. After a long day of classes and exams in betweens, so I feel like I deserve a break. I deserved some little stretch before I sleep. So bye! Night and day, it rained the whole day till on Sunday. I'm waiting for a shining day. Might be singing, might be murmur, might be love letters. Even if the rain may be with you. Night and day, it rained the whole day till on Sunday. I'm waiting for a shining day. Trying touching radio channel, eating up the sweetest candy, waiting up the rainbow. December, I remember. 24/7, I love you. Can I feel? Grabe
Ito mo na ko na.
kalog. Nandyan ka kasi. Oh, tignan mo yan. Hindi na magtanggal.
Sige.
Dami ba niyo?
Ha?
Gusto po gani ya? Gawin na lang na kayo.
Wow, wala na to.
Sabi.
Wala lagi mo ganito.
Hello, nice kayo vibe na rin ng kanggol. Kamsa naman ni siya. Mananak. Hindi siya na humundo. Ganina rin na siya. Si Sam.
Diba gusto daw mo instant to snack, ay sadaan na lang daw yung tama.
Unsay sudan?
Gusto na no?
Wow!
Para si
Pwede na siya may sponsor.
Kisa
Huwag na siya may pansit kanto na siya.
Hala, tinaw kay mga naong diri do.